Hey, how's it going, class? My name's Andy Nguyen. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Long Beach, California. I graduated from Cal State Long Beach with a bachelor's degree in athletic training. So I've pretty much been in Long Beach my whole life. I'm the first person in my family to go to graduate school, so I think this will be a very exciting experience. It's also very nerve-wracking to me, but I think I'm ready for the challenge. I recently became certified as an athletic trainer this past July, but due to the pandemic, I haven't been able to work as much as I wanted to, or even get my foot in the door. I have done a couple gigs or just like 1 day events, but I haven't really solidified myself as an athletic trainer. But my goal is to become a head athletic trainer of a university or at a college setting, whether it be university or secondary school, like community college. Some of my hobbies include playing basketball, casually, of course, taking my dog out for walks or to the park. I try to work out as much as I can, but due to the pandemic, it's been kind of hard. I started good in the beginning of March, and then just kind of went downhill. But I still go running here and now every now and then, and I do have a couple bands I use. And I also watch a lot of travel videos that usually involve food. I'm a big food guy. I like to see what local eats are at other places. But since we can't really travel right now, I just watch videos, and it's very interesting. But I'm excited to share this journey with you guys. I believe it's gonna put my limits to the test as a student and as a person. And I think I'm ready for it all. But let's get to it. Thank you guys.